The BM&M high-speed Super Deck screen. The high-speed Super Deck screen is easy to install, easy to operate, easy to optimize, and easy to maintain. In 1968, BM&M, a family-owned company, started out with one goal in mind: to supply high-speed gyratory screening solutions to all of the process industries. And by 1990, BM&M began working on screening solutions for specialty projects in the bulk and powder industries. The marketplace needed a higher capacity screener that was a more rugged and efficient version of BM&M's smaller super screen. BM&M's engineers successfully studied the needs of the process industry. They experimented with applications like wheat, particle board furnish, corn, biofuel, pellets, as well as sand, fertilizer, coal, and powders and chemicals. BM&M successfully engineered a custom solution that would suit all-purpose applications: the BM&M Super Deck. This video will show and discuss the specific features and benefits of BM&M's Super Deck model, and show why the Super Deck screen is the most economical choice in long-term screening solutions. In this 3D animation, we will show you how the Super Deck system works. The product flows through the Rubble deck and into the Infeed door assembly, where proportional spouts evenly distribute the particles onto each screen deck. The Super Deck shown has two parallel decks that hold 3 screens each. This provides a large screening area within a very small footprint. The Super Deck screen features a patented balanced drive design that allows the screen to operate at the higher speeds and larger strokes that are necessary to achieve maximum agitation of the screened product. This results in optimum capacity and efficiency for your screening investment. The drive bearing assembly is located on the center of gravity by design. The shaft in the drive bearing is 6 inches in diameter by 13 inches long, and is designed to withstand the forces generated by the counterweight. The shaft is stationary and is set in a taper to provide immense structural rigidity for the bearing. The bearing hub counterweight and driven sheave assembly is the only moving part in the drive. It's a simple process. Once the counterweight is placed in the screen, it pulls the screen assembly in a horizontal circular motion, creating the smooth gyrating screen action. Dynamic balance is achieved by placing the counterweight assembly as close as possible to the center of gravity of the screen's mass. BM&M screen action can be varied to suit the application, speed, stroke, and slope. Speeds can be easily varied from 180 RPM to 350 RPM. However, BM&M has found that most Super Deck applications have been optimized in the 250 to 330 RPM range. The speed is easily adjusted in the field by a simple change in the motor drive sheave. The screen decks can be built with a slope of 5 to 7 degrees as the application demands. The screen slope is permanently set at the time of manufacturing. The stroke of the screen can quickly be changed in the field, from a minimum 5/8 inch stroke to a maximum 1.5 inch stroke. Most Super Deck applications fall into the 7/8 to 1 1/4 inch range. Each Super Deck screen comes with a Rubble deck. This Rubble deck provides an Infeed impact surface, which spreads the flow evenly across the width of the screen. And it also provides a Rubble removal screen element to prevent large foreign materials from plugging the machine. The Rubble screens are normally 3/4 inch to 2 inch woven wire, depending on the application. The Infeed door assembly's primary function is to accept the full-width flow of cascading material from the Rubble deck and evenly distribute it to each screen deck or screen section of the Super Deck. BM&M utilizes specially designed proportional spouts to optimize the flow to each of the screen decks. The Infeed door assembly also provides a quick operator access point to the screen's interior for inspections, and provides easy access for screen element changeouts. Doors are made of steel or Hardox 450 abrasion-resistant steel and can be lined with various plastic or other engineered wear liners. The discharge door is hinged to provide similar screen inspection and maintenance access as is provided by the Infeed door. The discharge door's primary function is to take a fraction from each screen deck and direct it to customer-specified locations at the discharge end of the screen. Doors are made of steel or Hardox 450 abrasion-resistant steel and can be lined with various plastic and other engineered wear liners. Keeping the screen elements clear and clean is imperative for maximum efficiency. This is accomplished by the Multideck's ingenious ball deck design. The steel ball deck frames are mounted below the elements, so the 2-inch synthetic balls will continually bounce against the bottom of the tensioned element, dislodging any pieces of product that happen to get stuck. The increased speed of the BM&M Super Deck screen, in combination with the ball decks, helps deliver impressive screening performance and deblinding efficiency versus conventional 180 RPM cable-hung gyratory screens. Removing the screen elements is designed to be effortless. BM&M provides screen element access doors at both ends of every machine. Once the tension bolts are loosened, the T-handled tensioner lifters are used to lift the skirts off of the element, and the element is then free to slide out of the screen. The ball decks need not be removed for element replacement on the BM&M, unlike other large gyratory manufacturers. This enables quicker and easier element replacements for your maintenance staff and eliminates the need for expensive cranes and rigging. Proper screen tension is imperative for maximum efficiency and requires a uniform force to keep the wire taut. Yet the screens in other machines are commonly stapled down permanently, allowing the elements to relax and lose their efficiency. It's as simple as tightening the screen tension bolts. The Super Deck screen's unique hanger screen suspension design consists of 4 hanger assemblies, which allow the screen assembly to freely move in its orbital motion. This contributes to the Super Deck screener's smooth operation, as this simple design isolates the support stand from the gyrating screen assembly and helps make the Super Deck screener easy to install and easy to balance. The SuperDeck screener operates so smoothly that it can be mounted on virtually any level of your plant or be suspended from the existing overhead building steel using custom length hangers. BM&M's high-speed SuperDeck screener is in fact so well balanced you can even run it without first bolting it down. This glass of water sitting on an operational SuperDeck shows you just how vibration-free it really is. SuperDeck model numbers are simple to understand. Here's an example, model number 5033S1. The first two digits, 50, equals the area of each element. The third digit, a 3, is the number of screening decks above the drive. The fourth digit is the number of screening decks below the drive. The S indicates a SuperDeck design with parallel element decks. And the last number is a 1, which is the number of screen element levels per deck. Model number 5033S1. The SuperDeck has many other design features available. Total machine screen area is a maximum of 400 feet. Up to 3-deck construction available for some models. Each screen element is a single-piece element for zero leakage. Abrasion-resistant steel construction is a common option with a hardness of 450 Bernal. At BM&M, we work in partnership with our clients to design a screen solution that will fulfill all of the process and payback requirements of the application. We encourage you to join us at our factory and witness a test run, after which we'll give you a written guarantee of performance at no charge. Our screening experts will attend the initial startup of your machine to make sure that it's tuned to operate at the peak efficiency determined during the testing. This commitment to our clients doesn't end with the sale. We'll also supply you with free factory testing for the life of the machine, generally over 20 years. The high-speed SuperDeck model is manufactured at our BM&M facility located near Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. BM&M has built a solid reputation through the dedication and the workmanship that goes into the manufacture of each new screener. At BM&M, we build quality into our products by employing highly qualified, experienced people. Many of our employees have been with us for over 20 years, and all of our fabricators and welders are certified Boilermaker welders. This guarantees a final product that is second to none in reliability the first time. BM&M manufactures the entire SuperDeck model in-house. All fabricated components are assembled at our plant. BM&M handles the entire manufacturing operation. At BM&M, we are firmly committed to manufacturing the highest quality screeners that technology allows. Mr. Jerry Dickey, Terminal Manager for Cascadia Terminals, has this to say about his BM&M investments.
I'm Jerry Dickey. I'm the Terminal Manager at Cascadia Grain Terminal. I've been using BM&M cleaners for close to 20 years. We've been very happy with the service and reliability of the equipment and the maintenance costs. In total, in the last 11 years, I spent only $2,500 on 4-section rotaries, and that compared to a previous cost of $100,000 on average for a cleaner section in terms of maintenance. The only maintenance we've done is a screen change. None of the other equipment has ever failed. BM&M is highly reliable, and I would highly recommend them to any organization.
BM&M's patented design provides you with the efficiency and capacity you require with a 3-year drive warranty to back it up. BM&M is a forward-thinking, innovative, and progressive company that will provide you with a total screening solution that is custom-tailored to your individual needs. And we guarantee the results. At BM&M, we supply a screening solution for your specific application, and we provide customer service for the life of the equipment. With a focus on doing the job right the first time, every time, we will achieve customer satisfaction, profitability, and competitiveness in both local and international markets. Whatever your next project's screening requirements are, give yourself the advantage. Specify a BM&M screening solution.